OptiMed are the fastest growing manufacturer of patient transfer equipment. Our unique range includes ceiling hoists, assisted baths, changing tables, slings and showering equipment, and our products are manufactured in the UK and in the Netherlands. We are the market leader in many countries, selling directly or through construction companies to hospitals, schools, nursing homes and domestic homes. Our representatives have expert knowledge and will consult with you on every stage of product specification, design and installation. Our experience enables us to advise you on the optimum and most cost-effective layout for specialist equipment, and we offer product demonstrations at your convenience. The OT200 ceiling hoist is designed to transport the user around the room safely and comfortably. It can be used with a 2-point spreader bar for loop slings or an expanding cradle for clip slings unique to OptiMed. OptiMed offer a wide range of slings to suit user shape, size, disability or preference. This is the all-day deluxe leg sling with loops. It's made of breathable spacer material designed to regulate the core body temperature. We offer a straight leg sling and a deluxe model, which individually cradles each leg and lifts the knee in line with the hips. The red modesty strap provides a good level of dignity for the user. The ceiling hoist has a unique gravity charging system that recharges whenever in use, so it always has power. For peace of mind, the hoist features an emergency lowering system that requires no tools to operate. The ceiling hoist is available with a wide range of ceiling tracks, including curves, straight lengths, turntables, and whole room covering configurations. The OptiMed OT200 magnetic gate system allows the hoist to seamlessly transport the user into adjacent rooms. It operates by an automatic switch that communicates the hoist's position. On contact, a short beep sounds, and the track locks into place to allow the hoist to move in another direction. This ceiling track system enables the user to be lifted from any part of the room, transferring easily from the chair to the shower trolley or toilet. This toilet has an inbuilt wash-dry system which allows the user to clean themselves independently. The settings can be personalised to suit their needs. With the Opto Remote and Geberit AquaClean 8000 Plus, care is completely hands-free. The sensor detects close movement, flushes automatically and performs the wash and dry sequence. The spray nozzle is rinsed with fresh water before and after each use to ensure it's always hygienically clean. These functions will only operate when the user is seated. The OptiSpray TR2000 shower trolley is multifunctional, ideal for showering, changing or drying. It comes in a range of sizes to suit the user and the available space, and you can choose either the hydraulic or battery-powered model. You can adjust the height of the trolley using this foot control. To induce blood flow to the head or feet, or for quick and easy drainage, the Trendelenburg function is operated by a lever under each end of the trolley. The mattress can be removed and easily cleaned. Our home lifts are designed for access through multiple floors to provide wheelchair users or people with restricted mobility freedom to move around their home. The internal lift controls on the VM38 are illuminated and ergonomically designed for ease of use. The design is aesthetically pleasing too, with soft pearl grey exterior and a light lavender interior. This model is designed for extra-large wheelchairs and will lift up to 3.5 metres. The lift moves silently and smoothly from one level to the next and can be stationed at either to maximise available living space. The VM38 lift has sensors built into the floating platform to prevent descent if there are any obstructions. It also features an emergency backup system to lower the lift, use the lights and door in the event of a power failure. The wash basin is height adjustable and is operated by a simple hand control, promoting user independence. Our wash basins are available in a range of stylish designs and functions. The basin features a sturdy supportive platform for the user to lean on. The Avero bath can be fitted with a choice of hydrotherapy options, including music, lights and air jets to boost relaxation and provide therapeutic treatments during bathing. The integrated air spa system massages the user to provide a relaxing and stimulating experience. The jets are designed to prevent any flow back into the system, so there is no risk of cross-contamination. The adjustable footboard allows the user to support themselves in the bath and can be repositioned easily. Our unique neat fold changing table is mounted on the bath. When needed, the carer can effortlessly expand the surface and lower the user down without the need to transfer them away from the bath. When a user is lifted after the bath, the heat from the water rises upwards, keeping the user warm whilst being dried and changed. The surface has perforations for drainage and is made from non-rip vinyl for comfort and easy cleaning. The neat fold ensures that the carer can work at a height suitable for them and reduces the risk of back strain. The changing table is easily stowed after use, saving space and making the bath ideal for multiple users and family members. The OT200 ceiling hoist, in combination with an XY ceiling track system and carefully selected slings, has proven to reduce transfer times with improved dignity and safety for the user. For carers, the risk of strain is dramatically reduced. OptiMed offer free consultations and product demonstrations, where our product specialists will help you to select the best solutions for each individual.